Hi, this is William, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install your economy rooftop crossbars, or you can put them in any of the positions. This is position 1, 2, 3, and 4. This vehicle has previously had a light on top here, so I'm not going to go over the details, but basically you're looking at a red and blue wire to be your positive, and you're looking at a green one that you will not use. You're looking at a blue and black wire that'll be your negative. So when you buy your Cybertruck, this is what'll come in the kit. You can buy these per bar, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Inside the kit, you'll find the standoffs and the hardware. And this basically, these will mount it to the car, the bar to the stand. And what I like to do is basically, this has a little ledge on it. Put the ledge towards the head of the bolt. So I put the bolt in here and start it like this. Now to commence the installation, you'll set up your peanuts the way I showed you here, and the other one leave without anything on it, and your bar. So now let's go to the car. These are the tools you'll need for this installation. Universal socket, right? And a 10mm socket. Now this is a must for this installation. You need an extension and a drive ratchet with a 4mm Allen. Now let's take this to the car. We'll need our 10mm nuts and our ratchet. Okay, so step 1 would be to remove this cover or any of the covers that you're going to be placing the bar into. So open this. It's been pre-wired before. Basically, you put pressure in the middle of this and you take it out. Now, this wiring harness we're not going to use at this time, so we'll tuck this out of the way. Place it here and take the nuts and put them onto the studs. This is a little bit tedious, but you have to drop these onto those studs. When you open this for the first time, there'll be a 10mm nut inside of there. Go ahead and take that off and you're not going to use it. Now, I don't know how much of this you can see on the video, but we will show a picture. Basically, I'm putting this onto the stud. Now that I got them started, I'll take this drive ratchet and universal socket and tighten them down. That's 1. Okay, that's number 2. Now you'll notice I have 2 of the T-nuts and bolts here suspended. On the other one, I'm gonna leave them off. I'm gonna go put this on the other side. So now that both of them are tight, and we're gonna put our bar on. Now I'm gonna place this cardboard here to protect the vehicle from the bar. And this is the hardware we're going to use on the other side. It's 2 7/16 and 2 of those protective washers and the 2 T-nuts. So take your bar for that side. We're going to put in these T-nuts with the ridge facing upwards. And that on there. And we're going to put this in here. And you're going to put the T-nuts into the slots here. Okay, so now I've positioned the T-nuts. Then I'm going to slide the bar in, right? So this side's ready to go. I'm going to go to the other side and then tighten it once it's all fitted together. Okay, now for this side, I'm gonna lift this into place and use this tool to slide the T-nuts into position, right? Take one of the bolts, go ahead and start those. Now that we've got it all suspended up here, do this to the other side and you're ready.